Hello everyone, as you can see on the table is Milwaukee fuel brushless circle saw, and it's not working, and I don't like how the switch is pressing here, but basically yeah, it's just not working. So definitely we need to open it to check what's wrong with it. Okay, now a lot of small screws. Okay. Have the switch. Really feels strange. And as for example, the customer inserted the similar switch. I don't know why customer did that, but maybe the customer knew about this problem. Okay. Yeah, seems everything looks like it. And you can do that all by one wire. This one was tightened very well. And okay, I hope that the other parts are good, because, and of course I'm doing that without any measurements or something. Maybe I can check the switch with a multimeter, but as I have the switch itself and it still feels not good by pressing it, so I still will replace it. Of course, I don't know, maybe that will not help for the tool to start working. Okay, we have replacement switch installed. Now we can put the battery in and we can try to run the tool. And as you can hear, it's up and running. just cleaning some dust, raw clean and nothing special. Okay. Now we can install everything back, making sure that the wires are in place. Okay, everything is closed, so time to tighten it. Okay, I hope it works like that. Okay, now we have assembled it and we can try and test it again. It's up and running. Nice to see that, and thanks to the customer for the replacement part. So the switch was faulty. That was an easy fix. For now, thank you for watching and bye.